Really was that it was a nice election. Normally, until we see.
My Nigeria people don't bring no bunga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. And make a sharply yarn on a son to the website. It just happened.
For on top this video, one lady come out con dey yarn. They say they see plenty ballot papers. They will say they temperate Labour Party, and for inside bush, now they see the ballot papers after INEC come out to talk say Labour Party lose for inside their local government, and for Krika local government area of Rivers State. Now they see the ballot paper for inside bush. As they come gather, they count the ballot papers. And this begin happen on 8th of March 2023.
Today is on the 8th of March. This is Okrika LGA. We are all here. Somebody picked these ballot papers for the presidential from the bush. This is ballot from the bush. Please help me count them. Please help me count them.
The Obonga actor and politician so in be Desmond Elliot, where they represent the All Progressive Congress House of Assembly for inside Surulere constituency, don't come donate 8 transformers them. They giving own constituency people them. As people come the year and say election now don't they close. Now I remember to buy transformer for people them. Meanwhile, now toilet 9 they build for over 8 years when in don't day for the house. The Labour Party don't stand gidigba for inside Rivers State as they can't choose another chairman wey be the Obonga actress wey name be Hilda Dokubo to be the state chairman for inside Rivers State. After wey the former Labour Party chairman go sell himself, they give people Democratic Party wey dey for inside Rivers State. The Kogi West Development Front group don show say for the election say some part of the Kogi State say na broad daylight armed robbery. Na some government officials that will join body with INEC workers them to do wuru-wuru for inside those areas them, and they not gonna use beavers them for inside the election. Some commercial banks then like Polaris, First Bank, GT Bank, Zenith, they don't they collect the old 1,000 naira and old 500 naira note as they come they use them also they pay their customers them. This one can show say Nigerians them if they collect the old money now as a legal tender after we court don't come make their order. So Labour Party supporters they don't come they challenge one of their friends wey say go follow people them where they use obedient in them they campaign for people Democratic Party as they come they call him say him na fake obedient.
Obedient is certified, eh? I go post you. Chidi, he said if you obedient is certified. Fake! Oh, fake! Campaigner for governor. Fake!
The special advisor to President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu wey name be Dele Alake don come raise alarm say one US-based Nigerian man wey name be Lloyd Uku dey try to make plan make they disqualify the winning of Bola Ahmed Tinubu for the February 25th, 2023 presidential election. For on top this video wey Labour catch one pregnant woman, na so one man come carry the pregnant woman for hand. They find Okada wey go carry the pregnant woman take go hospital and no ambulance to help carry the woman take go hospital.
Put her for back now. She won't born. No, let the young one. She won't born at the time.
Senator Enyinnaya Abaribe don come dey yarn say the Obi that wave e catch everybody for inside Southeast State them. As him come dey yarn say na wetin help am take win him own senatorial seat o. Come dey thank all the people them wey be say they vote for am.
Obi that wave in the Southeast, and it almost consumed everybody, and it showed me the love that our people have for me because I was able to survive that wave. Otherwise, I probably would not have been here today if not for the love of our people.
Rain or mockery don't come lead protest march for inside United Kingdom to protest against the presidential election winning wey Bola Ahmed Tinubu win on February 23, 2023 as APC, PDP and Labour Party supporters all of them join body for UK to do this protest.
Obedience! PDP people! I hear somebody whispering in my ear that APC people are here. APC, are you here? Yeah. Come. APC, we need people. APC, we need people. On your mandate, we don't stand. On your mandate, we don't stand.
One lady don come dey yarn on top her social media say she catch one thief wey come thief for her mama shop or come thief talize drink and also money. as she can't use rope to tie the thief. But Nigerians they don't come they reply am after we they see the picture of the man. Say now hungry, now they catch this man. Oh. Say make she just lose the man and give the man food, make the man shop.
Now Bishop News O'clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.